Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x800f0805 in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So this is one solution, but the main solution is different and this one will definitely work. I have a script for you and I have shared it in the description section of the video. Simply copy this script and search for command prompt. Click on Run as Administrator, paste the script and hit enter. Now tell you what happens. It's called resetting Windows Update components. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock and finally it will restart all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.